this is Wajiha. Today I want to show you how I cook my chicken lasagna in a simple way. This is the same great flavor that you love in lasagna. Easy, cheesy, and saucy. Absolutely delicious. Here's the list of ingredients. I started with 12 pieces of lasagna noodles. I place into a boiling salted water and cook it al dente. Make sure don't overcook your noodles because it will be more soft when you bake the lasagna. Usually, while the noodles are cooking, I prepare the sauce. In a pan with a medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 large cloves of minced garlic, and I have here a medium size of sliced onion, and I add 1 pound of minced chicken. Saute it for 10 minutes or until the chicken is no longer pink. In between, I add a seasoning to make the chicken more tasty. Here, I'm adding the diced bell pepper to make it add more flavor and aromatic smell from this lasagna. Now, I add 3 cups of tomato sauce, or you can use Marinara sauce or any of the tomato sauce that are available in your kitchen. Then, mix it well. Chicken should be all covered. I seasoned again 2 teaspoons of my own seasoning mix. To have a hint of spicy flavor, I add 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce. This sauce can make the taste more exciting. I also add chicken broth cubes to make the taste more even better. For the cheese sauce, cook it in medium heat. Stir it rapidly. After thoroughly whisked, it should be looks nice and thick. Look at this. The more thicker, the more looks good. I used here a 6x8 casserole dish. I spread the chicken sauce and the white sauce evenly over the bottom and cover it with 2 lasagna noodles and add again the chicken sauce and top of cheese sauce and then spread evenly. Repeat the process till you have 3 layers of noodles. On the top of this last layer of noodles, just spread all over the remaining chicken sauce and the white sauce. Be generous with the mozzarella cheese, just sprinkle on the top because this mozzarella cheese make your lasagna dashing and extremely juicy. Your oven should be preheated ahead at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, then bake it for about 30 minutes. This is it! A delicious chicken lasagna with a creamy cheese sauce. Try it! This can be one of your favorite. Thank you for watching and keep safe everyone!